Look a logo maker honest review watch before using. Most people think professional logos require expensive designers. But here's the surprising truth. Tools like Looka can create polished brand visuals in minutes. Looka is an online logo maker that uses artificial intelligence to generate logos based on your brand name, industry, and style preferences. You enter your business name, choose colors, icons, and font styles, and Looka generates multiple logo concepts instantly. Here's what most people get wrong. They think AI logos are generic. Looka allows customization of layouts, colors, fonts, and symbols to better fit your brand identity. Once you choose a design, Looka offers brand kits that include social media graphics, business card designs, and brand guidelines. However, the surprising truth is that you don't own the full logo files until you purchase a branding package. Looka is best for startups, creators, and small businesses that want a fast and affordable way to create a professional-looking brand. The surprising truth is that first impressions matter. Looka helps your brand look credible from day one. If you want fast branding without hiring a designer, Looka is worth trying. Subscribe to the channel for more business tools and branding reviews.